Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Pcb Assy-Main part #EBR86692723. LG Electronics PCB Assy-Main part #EBR86692723 is a printed circuit board assembly, PCBA, used in LG Electronics products. It is a main board that contains the main components of the device, such as the processor, memory, and other components. This part number is specific to LG Electronics products and is used to identify the exact model and version of the product. The PCB assembly includes all of the necessary components to make the device function properly, including capacitors, resistors, transistors, integrated circuits, ICs, connectors, and other. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement main PCB assembly for LG Electronics televisions. It is used to fix issues such as no power, no picture, no sound, and other related problems. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet and disconnect any cables connected to the LG Electronics PCB Assy-Main part #EBR86692723. 2. Remove any screws that are securing the PCB Assy-Main to the device. 3. Carefully remove the old PCB Assy-Main from the device and set aside. 4. Place the new PCB Assy-Main into position and secure it with any screws that were removed earlier. 5. Reconnect any cables that were disconnected earlier and plug in the power cord to a wall outlet. 6. Test the device to ensure that it is working properly with the NE. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsipscom to order residential appliance parts.